Keeping your mouth clean is an important part of staying healthy. Bacteria in dental plaque can lead to gum diseases like gingivitis. People who have dysphagia or have trouble swallowing are also at increased risk for pneumonia. When you're caring for someone who has a hard time spitting or swallowing, you can use suction oral care products to help safely clean the mouth. Our Toothette suction toothbrush system with Co-Rinse makes it easy for caregivers to safely clean someone's mouth. Our suction toothbrush and applicator swab comes with sodium bicarbonate, commonly known as baking soda, which helps break down plaque. Our Co-Rinse Oral Rinse is an antiseptic cleansing solution that helps reduce bacteria in the mouth. The solution cleanses and moisturizes with a pleasant spearmint flavor. Before opening, use your thumbs to burst the solution packet. This will release the oral solution and saturate the toothbrush. Peel the lid to open the package and remove the suction toothbrush and attach to the suction tubing. The soft bristles of the suction toothbrush are gentle on teeth and gums. The foam on the back of the toothbrush helps deliver the cleansing solution throughout the mouth. Clean the teeth and mouth for approximately 1 minute. To suction, place your thumb over the thumb port. When you're finished, remove your thumb from the suction port. Rinse to clear the line. Disconnect and discard the suction toothbrush. Repeat cleaning with the other swab as needed. Feel confident using hospital-quality products at home with our oral care solutions. For more information about Stryker home care products, call or visit our website.